Hey guys, this video is on Edpuzzle and how to assign videos, look at data, and insert questions. Going to edpuzzle.com, let me log out of mine. You click login. You would click your teacher. Do not insert your email and password. Put in Google, sign in with Google, and use your Montville account. You should automatically have Montville account. That will send you to Edpuzzle. Students do as well, so you can tell them that. Here you see all the math videos that we've had at our school. If I click Montville Township High School, you can see videos not only from my subject, but other subjects, and teachers have made some plenty nice videos in these subjects. My content is all the videos I made recently. Then you can also insert videos not only from ones that you make, but maybe from Khan Academy or from YouTube. You search those, you copy those links, and you could tell the students to watch those if you do not want to make your own personalized videos. Once you have a video, either from YouTube or Khan Academy or making your own video, you're going to go to My Classes. And you shouldn't, unless you already have this, you shouldn't already have any classes here. I have a few classes here. You would click Add a New Class, create a new class, enter the name, and you would click Create. So for today's video, I'm going to assign a video to one of my classes. Let's, for example, say my class is Faculty PD. To assign something to Faculty PD, you're going to have to go to Content first. And clicking My Content, let's say I want to put in the Epic Pen video, or let's do the test video. You click the video, and it's going to give you a couple options here on the right. You can assign it right away. You can edit it, delete it. Let's edit it real quick. Clicking edit, you can trim it down. You can create a voiceover or insert questions. I love the questions feature. Here you can insert multiple choice, open-ended, or just notes into your video. So you click
bars around the screen
in your video
my screen
where
is
you want
recording.
the question to take place. So let's say I wanted it here. You would click open-ended, multiple choice. Let's do random question. Save it. Then it's inserted. You can see right here.
How you want to pause and
a note in. Save it.
and software.
Put in a multiple choice question. And put all the choices here, and you would click the check for which one is right or wrong, or if there's multiple select, you can do that as well. You can add another answer choice. Let's say this one's also correct. Save that. So here you can always see the students that are getting the questions right. Which ones do you need to reteach the material to? Which ones are totally fine and have a mastery of this topic. Once you're done with that, you'll click continue. That's enough questions. Some teachers love more questions than not. And then you would click finish. See, are my 3 questions here. I have an open-ended, I have multiple choice, I have a note. Then you click assign. I'm going to assign this to one of my classes. Let's say the Faculty PD class. And you can assign to all the students or just certain students. Since I don't have any students in my Faculty PD class yet, I can't assign them to individual. Then what you're going to do is choose a start date and a due date. Let's say it's starting right now, and let's make it due Monday, 16th, when we're doing this PD, and let's make it due at 12 p.m. You click save. This feature is really cool here, prevent skipping. If you have this checked, that means students can't skip ahead in the video. If you uncheck it, that means students can just skip your whole video. I love having this checked, making students watch every second of you talking. Click Assign, and it'll pop up on your class. So if I go back to my classes and I look at the faculty PD, here is the video. I have no students watched it yet, but once students join your class by doing the class options, you will have a code once you create a class. Here, if you clicked in MEOPASA, if students clicked this code, or typed in the code into Edpuzzle to join a class, they would be automatically joined to your class. So this code, very important. I would post it on Schoology if you are using Edpuzzle. Also let students know they don't always have to use their Google Chromebooks. They can download the Edpuzzle app, sign in through Google, type in your class code, which you've hopefully posted on Schoology in case students forget it, and then can start watching all the awesome videos that you've made. Let me show you a class that shows student progress. Here is a video. It shows all the students that watched it, when they watched it, whether they turned it in later on time. For example, clicking a student, this student only watched 90% of the video. And you can see his answers. This number here says how many times they watched the video. Students can go back and watch the video multiple times. Usually students only watch it once, but if you're asked if a student rewatched it, you can see and verify that they rewatched it here. This student watched part of the video twice. Students here at the bottom did not watch the video. If you want to look at the questions that you assigned and the students' responses, you click Questions. And you see all the questions from each student. You can also grade each question. Let me show you that. So if I click this, I click all my questions to grade, each student's answer pops up, so I can mark check or X. You can also comment on students' work once they finish, and it sends it right to them. Going back to my content again, you can also input a video from YouTube by copying a link, pasting it in here, and you can also insert questions and comments and notes into the YouTube or Khan Academy video, just like you did making your own video. So cool things there. This is a great formative assessment and teaching strategy that you can use to supplement your lessons. I wouldn't use this as a summative assessment. Instead, I have other resources that I posted as well for summative assessments that students could do on the computer as well. Thanks for watching.